Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are using an Oral-B IO3 electric toothbrush and want to change its settings, you might feel a little confused because this model does not have a large display like some advanced versions. Many users try pressing different buttons but are not sure how the modes actually change. The Oral-B IO3 is designed with simple controls, but understanding how to switch between different cleaning modes is important to get the best results for your teeth. Whether you want a gentle clean or a stronger brushing mode, knowing how to adjust the settings properly makes a big difference in daily use. Once you understand the button function, it becomes very easy to control. In this video, I will show you step by step how to change settings on an Oral-B IO3. Try these. 1. Turn on the Oral-B IO3 electric toothbrush using the power button. 2. Press the button on the Oral-B IO3 electric toothbrush again to cycle through modes. 3. Watch the indicator lights on the Oral-B IO3 electric toothbrush to identify each mode. 4. Stop pressing the button on the Oral-B IO3 electric toothbrush when your desired mode appears. 5. Turn off the Oral-B IO3 electric toothbrush after selecting the setting. 6. Turn on the Oral-B IO3 electric toothbrush again to use it with the selected mode.